Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be attempting a fluffy twist out. I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I already applied my leave-in conditioner by Mielle, and I am going to be using the Mousse by Mielle. All the products that I will be using in this video are listed at the beginning of the video, and they will also be listed in the description box below. In my opinion, in order to get a fluffy twist out, you need to use a light styling product. So the product I chose was a mousse, and in my opinion, if you use a cream or a gel, your hair may be too moisturized and weighed down. To get a fluffy braid out or twist out, so I think it's best to use a mousse and a leave-in conditioner to attempt this style. So I applied as much mousse as I felt was necessary to my small to medium sized section of hair. I detangled it, I made sure the section was smooth, and then I began to do my 2-strand twist. Once I get to the end of the twist, I twirl it around my fingers, and then I wipe off the excess product. Moving on to the next section of hair, I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding the mousse, making sure to cover all of my strands. And once that's finished, I will detangle my hair and then make sure it's smooth from top to bottom. And then I will begin to do my 2-strand twist. And I am going to be doing this for all of my hair. And once I am finished twisting all of my hair, I will be back. Okay, now that I am down to my last twist, I am going to sit under a hooded hair dryer for an hour, and then I will continue to let my hair air dry overnight until it's completely dry. Okay, my hair is 100% dry, and it is the next day. I am applying my oil to my scalp. Today, the oil I will be using is by Mielle. It's rosemary mint oil, and this is one of my favorite oils to use because not only is it moisturizing, but you get that tingling feeling on your scalp from the peppermint. That's one of the ingredients of the oil. So I'm going to massage this throughout all of my strands and my scalp, and then I am going to begin taking down my twist. I do not add oil to my fingers before taking my twist down like I would normally do because I don't want my hair overly greasy or overly moisturized and weighed down. I want to have a light fluffy look today, so I would just be using the oil that's left over on my fingers from the scalp massage. Once I am finished separating all of my curls, I will just use my pick to lift my roots and to hide some of those parts. And I will use my fingers also to do some fluffing and separating. And once I am done fluffing and separating and lifting my roots, the style will be complete. I hope my video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And if so, could you please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for all of my future videos. And I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day.